Bank Nifty led the market rally today, rising sharply by up to 2%. This was driven by the Reserve Bank of India's new liquidity-boosting measures, which sparked optimism about a potential rate cut in February. This drove banking stocks higher, with HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank and Axis Bank all seeing gains of over 3% in trade. Analysts believe that the liquidity boost will support credit growth and asset quality in the banking sector. Shares of Union Bank of India surged over 7% in trade today, led by a spike in the company's net profit for the December quarter, along with an improvement in its asset quality. The lender reported a 28.2% on-year growth in its net profit to 4,603 crore. SpiceJet shares gained around 3% in trade today after the airline announced the reintroduction of its grounded 737 MAX aircraft back into service. The company revealed that the first grounded Boeing 737 MAX aircraft had been restored as a part of a significant fleet restoration effort, which was aided with an agreement with Standard Aero and CFM International. Auto major TVS Motor shares surged over 5% in trade today after the company reported a 4.2% on-year rise in its net profit to 616 crore for Q3 FY25. This was boosted by higher sales and an improved efficiency. Pharma giant Cipla saw its stock price rise over 5% after reporting a 49% on-year jump in consolidated net profit, touching the 1,571 crore mark for Q3. Shares jumped from an intraday low of 1367 rupees to about 1470 rupees per share following the strong results. Apar Industries shares plummeted by over 20% following its dismal Q3 earnings show, which showcased a mixed performance. Although the revenue gained by about 18% on year to 4,700 crore, its net profit declined on year by 20% to 175 crore rupees. This drove a sharp fall in the share price. Shares of Anant Raj were locked in the 20% lower circuit in trade today. This fall came after China's disruptive, low-cost AI startup, DeepSeek, that threatened the dominance of US AI companies and triggered a rout in all global tech stocks. Federal Bank saw its shares fall by 7% in trade today after reporting a 5% on-year dip in net profit to 955 crore for Q3. The results came far below annual. Federal Bank of India saw its shares slide by 7% in trade today after reporting a 5% on-year fall in net profit to 955 crore rupees for FY25. The results came below analysts' estimates, which had projected about 1,022 crore rupees in profit. Adani Total Gas shares fell after the company reported a 19% on-year decline in its consolidated net profit to 142 crore rupees for Q3, with a sequential drop of 23% compared to the previous quarter.